Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Python in your system and also PyCharm in your system. So first of all we have to go to Google and search Python install. The first website python.org, click on that, download Python, click here, download Python 3.9.7, let it download, click on install, click here at Python to 3.92 path, click on customize install, then click on next, click on install for all users and click on install. Allow the prompt, let it install. As you can see, the setup is successful. Now you can close. Now you can open command prompt and you can write Python to check if it is installed. If you get without any error, this means that your Python is installed. For right now we will not run any code, so we will simply exit the program and now we will install PyCharm. For PyCharm, search PyCharm on Google, click on the first link, click on download. Or don't download professional version, it will be a free trial. Instead, download the community version. Click on save. This will take a while. It is dependent on your internet speed. As you can see, it is downloaded. Let's click on the setup. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next and install. Again, it will take a while depending upon your processor and RAM installed on your system. As you can see, it is installed. Now click on run PyCharm community edition and click on finish. Now click on confirm to confirm the agreements and click on continue. Now click on new project and here we will write the first py. Now this is the most important step. Instead of using new environment, click on previously configured interpreter. Here you can choose, click on the three dots here and here you can choose system interpreter. Click on OK. Again I will show you. Click on the previous configured interpreter, click on the three dots, go to system interpreter and click, and here you can navigate where your Python is installed. Python 39, python.exe, you can hit OK. As you can see the path of the file. Now create. Click on don't show tips, click on close. Now this is the default code. In main.py you can write your Python code as you wish. Clicking here on green button you can run your code. It says hi PyCharm. You can write your own code like print you can see it is printing hello world. Now some important settings that you may find useful. Go into settings. Now click on appearance. Here from theme you can select a light theme, or you can select dark theme. I prefer dark theme. Now go to editor. In editor, go to general. In general, click on change font with control plus mouse wheel. Click on apply and OK. What it will do, if you use control and scroll the mouse wheel up, it will increase the font size. It will be helpful for you in the future. So that's it for today. Subscribe for more upcoming videos on Python. We'll see you in the next one.